The EOMONTH function in Excel is also very useful for dates. EOMONTH stands for end of month. So what it allows you to do is to enter a date, and even if you don't get it correct on the actual end of that month, you can then tell it to create dates that are always the end of the month. So in this example, we want to create a forecast. We want it to be, let's say, quarterly. So you'll see I want 3-month gaps, but someone has entered the 30th of December instead of the 31st. So if I go into my function wizard, go to dates and time, you'll see a function called EOMONTH. When I say OK, it says what's the start date. I'm going to point here. And how many months must it look forwards or backwards? If I put a positive number in, so for example, if I click there, put the dollar signs on, what it will do is it'll go forward. So you'll see 30th of December, 3 months later, end of that month is 31st of March. And I can now copy it across, and you'll see that one is looking at that month, going 3 months later. It knows June only has 30 days, so it shows the 30th of June. What's nice about this is if I change that to a 1, what it's now doing is going in monthly intervals, and you'll see even though it's a badly written date, we get 31st of Jan, 28th of February. If it was a leap year, it would say 29th of February. If we wanted to go backwards, we put a negative number in, and you'll see it now goes backwards, 30th of November, etc.